please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here's NFLX, Netflix. This finishes at $349 today. That is up 3.18%. But in the aftermarket here, after earnings came out, this is now down to $260.
And it's gone.
So this is really, really bad. Earnings just dropped not too long ago. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So revenue was $8.053 billion, and that missed the estimate of $8.21 billion. So slight revenue miss there. EPS was $3 versus a $3.01 estimate. So slight miss on EPS there. So slight miss on both EPS and revenue, which is not great, but didn't miss by much. But what really is causing the stock to go down is the subscribers. Apparently, they lost 200,000 subs in the first quarter, and they're expected to lose another 2 million customers in the second quarter. Wow, that's really not good. So this is the first time that Netflix has ever lost subscribers since they started streaming. And they are blaming the loss of subscriptions due to increased competition from other streaming services and from the Russia-Ukraine war, because they have pulled out of Russia. They said that they lost 700,000 subscribers due to that conflict. They say that they are considering offering a cheaper tier subscription with commercials, like some of their competitors are doing. And one big problem that they are having is account sharing. And the CEO says that they're going to start cracking down on that. So earnings weren't that bad. They missed, but really not by much. But definitely the big disappointment is the subscriber growth, or the subscriber loss, I should say. So market really doesn't like it, and it's selling off pretty hard here, over 20% in the aftermarket. So let's go ahead and analyze now. So first of all, this appears to be a big cup and handle in the making. The old bottom of the cup was 330, but now it appears like it's going to be 260 or maybe even lower. So I'm not even going to speculate on where the bottom of the cup is. And we do have multiple possible tops. It can be 397, 456, 531, 545, 614, 619, 677, or even the high of 701. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we do have a quadruple gap down. First gap down is at 570, so that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 570 to fill this gap. Second gap down is at 505, so another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 505 to fill this gap. Third gap down is at 377, so another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 377 to fill this gap. And then today, and then tomorrow, there's going to be a new gap down formed at 345. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 345 to fill this gap. So quadruple gap down, that is absolutely insane. Very bullish there. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Alright, so we're going back on the 3-year chart here. This is going to be near the 3-year low. Absolutely disgusting. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 263 and 253. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 263, 271, 277, 284, 295, 305, 314, 323, 330, 336, 344, and then 352. There is resistance above 352, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 253. And I don't have any TA past that because this is literally the 3-year low. Disgusting. So right now, at this current price, 260, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. I don't have the RSI right now. We'll see what it is in the morning, but it's definitely going to be below 30. So it is going to be oversold and undervalued. So it looks like a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 20 million in volume today, way above the average of 5 million. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. And this is pretty straightforward, pretty obvious to me. Long term, definitely a good stock to buy and hold. This is Netflix, blue chip stock, not going anywhere. Pretty disgusting that it went down from 700 down to 260. Short term, this may pull back a little bit more, but we are getting some very, very strong bullish indicators. Again, cup and handle, quadruple gap down, low RSI. So all very strong bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, and no neutral indicators. So this appears to be a really, really strong buy to me. This will have its day again. It may take a while, but this will come back up to 700 at some point. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, again, very strong bullish indicators. This would be a great time to buy the dip. Very great buying opportunity. So I would support going long at 260 and lower, And if you want to go short, I really don't see a reason to do that. Should have went short back at 700, 600, 500, 400. Again, very strong bullish indicators in the short and long terms. No bearish indicators. This is a 3-year low. I really don't see why you'd go short here. You missed your chance. Absolutely no reason to go short here. Please don't do that, guys. That seems like a really bad idea. So yeah, guys, this one is pretty straightforward. Very disgusting what's been going on with the stock the past few months, but looks like a great buying opportunity. Looks very bullish in the short and long terms, and really no reason to go short here. I don't know why you would do that. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but looks like a good buying opportunity, not financial advice, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NFLX, Netflix. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.